In this video, we'll show you how to predict prices using a machine learning model from Google Sheets. Find Nasdaq Composite Index Price historical data and download it. Open the sheet, import the data, and create a chart. Open Script Editor. Go to ML Integration Samples at GitHub and copy the code. Go back to Script Editor, paste the code. Add BigQuery API service. Deploy the code. In the sheet, specify GCP project ID. Select date and open columns. Train the model. Add 900 rows and select them to forecast the price movement for the next 900 days. Select Forecast to render the price prediction. That's it. To learn more about the ML integration sample code, look at the links in the video description.